Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a unique new flavor of Coca-Cola that's available in Japan now. It's peach flavored. Apparently this is one of the first times to ever have peach flavored Coca-Cola. Usually in Japan at the end of January and early February, everything is all about strawberries. But for some reason, like now it's like peach is a really big thing. So I don't know if they're trying to do something different here or where it's coming from, but I thought I'd show you guys. The bottle here is pretty cute. You could kind of see the Coca-Cola little embossing thing underneath there from this from the label. A lot of people like to take the label off later anyway, but I was gonna just try it and see if it really tastes like peach or not. Sometimes these ones, especially when they start, if it's like a clear based soda like 7-Up, I could tell the flavor better, but sometimes when it's competing with the cola flavor, I have a hard time telling. They kind of all sort of taste the same. So let me see what this one tastes like. It kind of smells like peach, that's for sure. It just looks like a normal cola, so it's not going to be a different color or anything. Yeah, it definitely tastes like peach. It has a peach edge to it, but it's good, I think. It's funny because in some way it kind of almost makes Coca-Cola taste more like Pepsi. You know what I mean? Because Pepsi's kind of sweet. I always feel that way too about like any sweetened kind of Coca-Colas. It winds up tasting more like Pepsi because Pepsi to me is more sweet than cola is, but I don't know. That's just the way I think Coca-Cola is. But definitely a fun, unique flavor. If you guys are going to be out here visiting and stuff, could be a fun thing to pick up and, bring back for people. It's definitely yummy. Try it out. It's not a bad thing at all, I don't think. Very tasty. So, yeah, part of a good thing to celebrate the seasons. So, I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.